Ready? Start. Domestic violence is the violence or abuse that is practiced in a domestic setting, such as corroboration of marriage. Domestic violence is not only physical. Domestic violence includes any behavior that is practiced to gain power and control over the victim. Domestic violence can be affecting people from all walks of life. It can be subjected towards a partner, spouse, or intimate family member. Domestic violence is a learned behavior and is not practiced due to any common excuses such as drugs or alcohol, anger, or mental problem. Domestic violence, also referred to as or intimate partner violence or domestic abuse, takes place in an intimate relationship. Domestic violence can happen in both relationships as well as same sex relationships. Threatening a person is also a type of domestic abuse affecting the person mentally and emotionally. Any abusive relationship involves an imbalance of power and control being practiced on the victim. An abuser to exercise control over his or her partner uses harass and hurtful words and behaviors. While some relationships are abusive from the outside, it might not be easy to identify domestic violence at first. While some relationships are abusive from the very beginning, abuse after starts subtly, and with time it gets worse. Domestic violence can be taking several forms such as physical, economic, verbal, religious, emotional, sexual, and even reproductive. Acts of domestic violence may include persistence forms of material rape, also violent physical abuse such as beating, choking, female genital mutilation, and acid throwing that can lead to extreme cases. Apart from these, calling the victim names to insult or put them down, and preventing or discouraging the victim from going to work or school, or even stopping them from seeing family members or friends. They are trying to control how one should spend their money or controlling what one wears. Acting jealous or possessive, or even accusing the victim of being unfaithful. These these are also a few ways in which domestic violence is practiced. On a worldwide basis, women are overwhelming the victims of domestic violence. Also, women tend to be experiencing forms of violence. In some countries, cases of domestic violence are often seen as justified, especially in cases of suspected or actual on the woman's part, and are also legally permitted. Research has shown that there exists a significant and direct between a country's level or gender equality and domestic violence rates. Countries that experience higher rates of domestic violence have less gender equality. Domestic violence on a worldwide basis is among the most underreported crimes globally for both women and men. Due to the presence of the social stigmas regarding of men who are domestic violence victims face an increased likelihood of being overlooked by providers. Stop.